Hiya, welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. It's hosted by myself, Crafty Girl Chronicles, and it's a way that I plan out all the things that I've got to do, but I also have fun while I'm doing them. I don't usually stress if I can't get things done all at once. Whatever I've planned for that week, if it doesn't get done, I don't stress. I would spread it over time, such as days, weeks, and even months. I always prioritize myself and make sure that I find time for myself in regards to self-care, looking after myself. I am going to be planning from today, which is Monday the 29th, up until Sunday the 5th of July. If you've just joined me for the very first time, welcome along. It's great to have your company, and thank you to all my returning subscribers. My returning subscribers or my regulars know usually what I'm all about on a weekly basis. But for all my new subscribers, I have changed a few things around as well. So Monday, Wednesday and Friday I do all my washing and drying, and Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday I fold and pack away the clothes that I've washed and dried the previous day. But on a Monday I used to do the beds, the bleach, the bathroom, toilet and kitchen on Monday, but I've changed it to Tuesday now because I'm cooking most of the day on Tuesday. I'm doing all my meal planned and prepped on Mondays. I will be juicing some beetroot as well for the week, and also some green apples. I'm working on a food diary that I started last week, and also I'm working on some DIY that I'm doing in my toilet room as well. So Monday, Wednesday and Friday I do budgeting, make sure to keep an eye on my spending, and I've now adjusted my foot soaks from Wednesdays and Sundays to Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. More so if I miss a day or so in the week, I don't mind. I can just stick to the Wednesday and the Sunday. But if I'm going out and I'm doing any activities out, when I come back I will definitely have a foot soak, because I'm finding that a foot soak really helps with my feet. So that's what I will definitely be doing. So I've just dotted it down for Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. But anytime I feel like having one, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fit it in, just 5 minutes of your time. That's all it takes. So that's what I will be doing. That's changed as well. I do follow the Fly Lady Zone cleaning method, and this week it's zone 2, where I'll be dusting high places, dust and polish the living room, and clean under the sofa, clean the desktop area. I'm still working on the desktop area. I'm getting rid of my desk and my CPU, my desktop unit, computer, the monitor and also the mouse. I'm getting rid of, and the keyboard, getting rid of all of that. So I'm going to be freeing up some space there. I've got a nice sideboard that I've seen online that I'd like to replace and put in that area, and it'll fit more neater in that area as well, because my desk is kind of protruding and taking up a bit more space than it should be taking up. So, you know, cutting a long story short, that's going. But I'm just taking things off the actual computer, cleaning it off. I've got a lot of music on there and stuff that I've been copying and putting them onto my external hard drive, and so I'll be working on that. Every time I get a minute I'll spend maybe a half an hour and do it, but it's coming to the end now. I can see the light at the ending of the tunnel. So that's that with the desktop area. And I've got to clean the washing machine, the soap dish as well, where you put the powder and conditioner in, and also the tumble dryer and the filters I'll be cleaning this week. Zone 2 has got quite a minimal amount of cleaning and stuff to do, but I'm glad because I'm trying to get my DIY room started. It was really, really hot last week, and I couldn't go out in the garden and do any sanding and stuff like that. I just couldn't do it, or spray painting, which I've got a couple of spray painting jobs that I want to do. It was just far too hot, so that's held me up as well. So I'm hoping that this week it's much cooler. Yesterday, Sunday, was a lot cooler. Later on in the early evening, it was very cool and acceptable to go out there and do some stuff, because I went out there and I had to separate all my basils, because I bought 2 nice fresh pots of basil from the supermarket on Friday. I had to separate them. They said when they're bunched up too much like that, they die, or they don't grow. So I had to separate them. So I've got now, I think, about 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10 small pots of basil now, but I don't mind, because I'll just chop them up and freeze them. I will just do all of that because I do love basil in my spaghetti and stuff. Today's another day, so I'm hoping that it will be cooler as well today, so I can get out in the garden and do a few bits and pieces. On a Thursday, movie night, that's what I forgot to put. Movie night. Let me do movie night. Yes, movie night. Okay, so Thursday I do a little bit of ironing. It is movie night, so that's that. But all my chores and things to do, I do spread it over the days. I don't do it all at once, not at all. I do it over time. So did I say Tuesday, the beds, bathroom and toilet, bleaching, and the kitchen and cleaning the front of house? Yeah, I think I did say that, but if I didn't, I've said it now. Friday, it's not anything, because all these things that I've got here to do is going to be spread over the day. So even though Wednesday looks quiet, Thursday looks quiet, Friday looks quiet, it's not. Saturday, it's knitting and crochet club. I've called it the K&C club now, so that's that. And Sunday it's back to church. But Monday to Sunday, Archie goes out twice a day for his walks. Sometimes he doesn't want to go out to the front, so we go into the garden, and he'll get some fresh air and stuff out there, and I'll take the ball and we'll do chasing in the garden. And I've been working on 8 laps every day for myself. Got a small recreational ground near where I live where I do 8 laps, but sometimes I can't do them, so I don't punish myself, I don't beat myself up about anything. I do what I can, but normally on a Sunday I do 4 laps, because after church and stuff I'm tired. I don't want to do much on a Sunday. And I think that is it for this week. Everything is subject to change, and it usually is. I add or omit things as I go throughout the days. Appointments pop up and stuff like that. Now, I haven't got any appointments. Can't remember if I've got any appointments, but as I said, everything's subject to change. I use these 2 washies and they're nearly finished now. I might just use them for swatching now, because they're nearly finished, but they're lovely. They went together pretty well. I like that with the polka dots. And my lovely Pinterest images that I cannot leave out. God, Pinterest is so good to me, and I'd like to thank all the artists, and the illustrators that have provided these images on Pinterest for personal use only. Thank you very, very much for that. I really do like my spread this week. Anyway, if you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.